Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to transfer money from TD Bank to Questrade in 2025. Whether you're switching investments or just moving funds for better growth, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. Questrade is a popular online brokerage known for its low fees, and with TD's user-friendly platform, you'll have your money transferred in no time. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need accounts set up with both TD Bank and Questrade. Make sure you have your login details handy and that your Questrade account is verified. Log into your TD Bank account through their website or mobile app. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. It's usually under the main menu. If you haven't linked Questrade before, you'll need to add it as a recipient. This involves entering Questrade's account details, like the routing number and account number, which you can find in your Questrade dashboard. Next, select the type of transfer. In 2025, TD has streamlined this with faster options, so choose an electronic funds transfer (EFT) for quick processing. It typically takes 1 to 3 business days. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Double check for any fees. TD might charge a small one, so keep an eye out, and add a memo if needed for your records. Before hitting confirm, verify all the details to avoid any mistakes. Questrade might require additional verification on their end, like a security code sent to your email or phone. Once everything looks good, confirm the transfer, and you're all set. You'll get confirmation emails from both banks. Pro tip: check for any promotional offers from Questrade in 2025, as they often waive transfer fees for new users. Remember, always monitor your accounts for the funds to arrive and contact customer support if there's a delay. There you have it. That's how easy it is to transfer money from TD to Questrade. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.